Coconut oil is marketed as a cure-all. It has been used on human hair, skin, nails, dry elbows, smoothies, baking, cooking, dog coats, and to fight cancer and HIV. So our question is, can coconut oil really have all these benefits? Does this thing really work? Let's see.
Coconut oil crash course.
There are two different versions of coconut oil, virgin coconut oil and commercial coconut oil. The difference is found in the way that the two are processed. Commercial coconut oil is made from dried coconut meat and undergoes a refining process to make the oil edible. The refined coconut oil is mostly used as a cooking oil. On the other hand, virgin coconut oil does not undergo this refining process since the oil is produced and is already edible. The term virgin mostly refers only to the process and not the chemical components. The effects of virgin coconut oil and commercial coconut oil on health is mostly the same since the two are made up of medium-chain fatty acids.
So let's start real small. Let's look at coconut oil from a chemical level. First, some quick facts. Its melting point is 76 degrees Fahrenheit. It is 90% saturated fatty acids. It is a solid at room temperature. It is rich in short and medium chain triglycerides. It is soluble in water. It contains high portions of glycerides, and it is highly stable towards oxidation because it's so saturated. There's a big difference though between commercial coconut oil and virgin coconut oil. Virgin coconut oil differs from commercial coconut oil in its composition. The flavors do not change, and neither do their chemical properties, but the process of virgin coconut oil requires little to no heating, so its biological active substances are not lost. These substances are claimed to be why coconut oil provides so many nutritional and health benefits in preventing or minimizing chronic illnesses.
So what are these biological active substances? What do they do? What are they made of? Well, they are naturally occurring in plants, and here are a couple of examples. Tocopherol is primarily beneficial as an antioxidant. It plays a primary role in preventing chronic illness such as coronary heart disease or cancer. It is highly saturated and found in the seed of a coconut. Tocotrienol is claimed to be a better antioxidant than tocopherol. It is unsaturated with 3 double bonds and found in the germ or bran part of the coconut. Phytosterol is shown to lower cholesterol, reduce inflammation with autoimmune diseases such as arthritis and lupus, similar to composition of cholesterol. Phytostanol also has cholesterol-lowering effects. It does this by blocking the absorption of cholesterol. Flavonoids and other polyphenols. This includes simple phenols, phenolic acids, hydrocyanoic acid, and other flavonoids. They are shown to have antiviral, anti-allergic, antiplaque, anti-inflammatory, anti-tumor, and antioxidant properties. Another unique thing about coconut oil is it's made of medium-chain triglycerides. Most vegetable oils are PUFAs, whereas coconut oil is less than 10% made out of unsaturated fatty acids. This makes coconut oil more stable and does not require it to be further processed. Medium-chain triglycerides are also unique because they are readily burned in the body for energy. Triglycerides are a subgroup of lipids, and medium-chain triglycerides are composed of 3 saturated fats bound to a glycerol backbone. They differ from most triglycerides because the fat molecule is between 6 to 12 carbons in lengths. In comparison to other vegetable oils that have long-chain triglycerides, they need to be partially hydrogenated. Hydrogenation is a chemical reaction in which hydrogen atoms are added to the fat. The reaction produces more saturated fatty acids and converts unsaturated fatty acids from a cis to a trans form to make them stable. A study shows that this hydrogenation process causes increased levels of cholesterol. But medium-chain triglycerides do not need to be hydrogenated to make them stable, which allows them to have a neutral effect on blood lipids. They do not increase the risk for cardiovascular diseases, but do increase HDLs, making them protective.
Coconut oil is also known to have many physiological benefits. A study found at the New England Deaconess Hospital, a Harvard Medical School affiliate, demonstrated that coconut oil is neutral in its effects on blood lipids, Therefore, it does not cause an increase in cholesterol or cardiovascular disease. Coconut oil was able to increase the HDLs, high-density lipoproteins, reducing the risk for coronary heart disease.
Another study showed that there have been correlations between coconut oil and improving the symptoms of HIV and AIDS. A preliminary study on the effects of coconut oil on HIV and AIDS gave very encouraging results, with subjects' viral load dramatically reduced and their immune system enhanced, as reflected in the CD4 and CD8 count. Coconut oil also contains lauric acid, which is important to make the fatty acid derivative monolaurin. Monolaurin is obtained by babies in their mother's milk. It has antimicrobial effects to fight viral, bacterial, and protozoan infections. Lauric acid is an active antimicrobial that solubilizes lipid and phospholipids in an envelope of a virus. This activity shows potential to fight HIV.
Coconut oil is also known to have many psychological benefits, such as improving stress and mental wellness. One study aimed to investigate the anti-stress effect of virgin coconut oil. The researchers believe that because virgin coconut oil is rich in medium-chain triglyceride, fatty acids, and polyphenols, it may be used as an anti-stress and antidepressant nutritional oil. They conducted a test in which 24 mice would be put in a chronic restraint stress test for 6 minutes. This means that the mice were forced to swim for about 6 minutes, causing a lot of stress. The results showed that the untreated mice had the highest levels of stress, and interestingly enough, the mice treated with virgin coconut oil had a lower stress response than those treated with diazepam. The graph above shows the different levels of freeze time based on their treatment, which shows that the mice treated with virgin coconut oil, which is the bar on the far right, had the lowest freeze time, indicating the lowest amount of stress. The graph below shows the significant difference in SOD and MDA levels pre-swim and post-swim due to the coconut oil.
So what did we learn? We learned that coconut oil is a great baking and cooking option. From a molecular to digestible, it has many factors that make it a great alternative to other vegetable oils, such as the medium-chain triglycerides, biological active substances, and lauric acid. Virgin coconut oil is preferred over commercial. In general, like most foods, the less processed, the better.
So what are the health benefit takeaways? We learned that it is able to affect our blood lipids, which increase the HDLs, which in turn lowers our cholesterol. We also learned that coconut oil is able to help fight numerous infections and chronic illness, such as HIV and AIDS. We also learned that coconut oil could positively impact your mental health as well. In particular, we were able to see the effects virgin coconut oil had on reducing stress.
So where's the research going on coconut oil? Further questions that we would like answered would be, what effect does age, gender, weight, and body composition have on coconut oil's health benefits? Is there a certain group of people or geographic location that it benefits more?
If you want to know more, Coconut Oil Crash Course number 2 for extra credit,